Hi there, my little champ, and I'm going to show you how to make slime the same way, but I'm going to use some different shampoo. So, let's get started. And if you hear some noise in the background, that's just people or the TV. So, I'm going to use some shampoo first. And any kind, actually, just like my other video. So you just squirt some in there. Don't use too much if you don't know if it'll work, but watch me and see if it'll work. Then I'm gonna use the same body wash because I don't have enough. We have it already. So you're gonna spread it everywhere. And then next you're gonna mix it up. So, well, it's kind of turning out to be slime. So,
getting there?
Yep. And that was just the person talking to me. See, that slime is very good. And if you mix it really fast, like I am, it'll maybe get better. Dang it, but it is still sticky. And you have to be about 5 or 4 to make slime. So it looks good. And if you want to touch something sticky, you can. Look at that.
Well, how would you like to spend 4 hours desperately trying to give me a
Whoa.
soldier?
It's very cold. I don't get why.
In fact, as I say to all of it.
And that was just my mom, if you heard it. Because we've tried once. And here we go. Okay, sorry, I just had to wipe my hands. Sorry, that was the people talking. And that's my mother right there, walking. And if you just keep mixing all that together, like I am, it'll turn out better and turn into slime. Yeah, look at that. It's actually slime. You can actually play with it in your hands. You just have to activate it in your hands and see if it's sticky or not. But if it didn't work for you, I'm sorry. Don't add any specialty to it, like water or borax or something. Just add body wash and shampoo. And it turns out to be this. But, so, yeah. Thank you for watching. And then, first, if you guys want to touch it, just so you know it's sticky. So, you're going to take your hands. Look at that. It's slime. Very sticky. I do not know how to make it unsticky. And all. And so, hee hee. The end.